Hey there, welcome to TechMoneyAI. Here we'll explore how AI can help you take control of your financial future. From smart investing to leveraging the latest tech, we've got you covered. Subscribe and join me on this exciting journey to smarter finances. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and game-changing topics, how to start investing with AI. This is a beginner's guide, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll feel confident enough to take that first step into AI-powered investing. But before we dive into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on valuable content like this. Ready to explore the future of investing? Let's jump right in. Okay, picture this. The stock market is moving at lightning speed. Trends are shifting in real time, and traditional investors are trying to keep up. But what if you had an edge? What if you had an intelligent system, powered by AI, that could help you make smarter, faster, and more informed investment decisions? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But no, it's happening right now. And the best part? You can get started today, no matter your experience level. First off, what exactly is AI investing? Simply put, it's when you use artificial intelligence, machine learning algorithms, data analytics, and advanced computing power to help manage and make decisions about your investments. AI tools can analyze massive amounts of data, spot trends, and even predict market movements faster than any human possibly could. These AI tools are designed to help you as an investor by taking out the guesswork. They can process thousands of data points in seconds, from financial reports to market news, even social media trends, and give you insights that would take you days or weeks to figure out on your own. Why should you consider using AI to invest? Well, AI has two big advantages: speed and accuracy. Let's face it, human emotions can sometimes get in the way of making good investment decisions. We panic, we hesitate, or we get overly excited. AI, on the other hand, is completely objective. It makes decisions based purely on data, helping you avoid costly mistakes. And the best part? AI doesn't need to sleep or take breaks. It can work 24/7, analyzing markets even when you're not paying attention. This means you can potentially capture opportunities or avoid risks that you might otherwise miss. It's like having a super intelligent assistant helping you invest. So, how do you actually get started? Well, you'll need two things: a reliable AI-powered investment platform and a basic understanding of how these tools work. Let's break it down. There are a number of AI investing platforms that are beginner-friendly. Here are a few you can check out. Wealthfront. This is a robo-advisor that uses AI to help you build a diversified portfolio automatically. Betterment. Similar to Wealthfront, Betterment uses machine learning to optimize your investments based on your goals. Trade Ideas. If you want more control, this platform provides AI-powered stock trading suggestions. Once you've chosen a platform, the process is pretty straightforward. Sign up. You'll need to create an account, which usually takes just a few minutes. Set your goals. These platforms will ask you about your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement? Buying a house? Your answers will help the AI tailor its strategy to you. Deposit funds. Don't worry, you can start small. Many platforms let you begin with just a few $100s. Let the AI do its work. Once your account is set up, the AI will begin analyzing and managing your investments. Now I know what you're thinking. If AI is so powerful, is there any risk involved? Well, like any investment, AI investing isn't completely risk-free. The stock market is unpredictable, and no tool, no matter how advanced, can guarantee profits every time. That's why it's important to diversify your investments and not rely on AI alone. Start small, learn as you go, and use AI as one part of your overall strategy. Think of it as a tool in your toolbox. With patience and careful planning, AI can give you a real advantage, but it's always smart to stay informed and make adjustments as needed. As we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the future of AI in investing. We're only scratching the surface of what's possible. AI is becoming more sophisticated every day, and as it evolves, it's going to open up even more opportunities for individual investors like you and me. So whether you're looking to save for the future, grow your wealth, or just explore new technology, now is the time to get started with AI investing. The tools are here and the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions about getting started. I'd love to hear what you think. And of course, make sure to subscribe to TechMoneyAI for more content like this. We're just getting started, and there's so much more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.